Hi friends, this is Manisha from Exam Guruji and I'm here to take a session on vocabulary. In this session, we are going to use the visualization technique that is going to help us in learning the vocabulary more efficiently. These set of vocabularies will be provided to you guys on regular basis with their synonyms, antonyms and examples. Now, let's start our session. The very first word we have is pension. Pension means something that you like very much to do. It can be reading, writing, eating, cooking or something else. You can look at the picture. In this picture, a child has a penchant for drawing. Liking something means having affection, inclination, predilection, predisposition, proclivity. Now, what is the opposite of liking something? Disliking something. So, antonyms of pension are apathy, aversion, unconcern, objectivity, disrelish. So, look at the example. She has a penchant for Indian food. Means that specific girl has a liking for Indian food. So, our next word is mollify. Mollify means to make somebody feel less angry or upset. This is a kind of an effort you do for somebody to make them less angry or upset. You can look at the picture. In this picture, a parent try to console his child to make him less upset. So, the synonyms of mollify are appease, assuage, relieve, mitigate. So, what is the opposite of lessening something, which is aggravating something? So, the antonyms of mollify are irritate, infuriate, aggravate, exasperate. Now, let's look at the example. So, the example of mollify is he managed to mollify him a little bit. The next word is melodious. Melodious means pleasant to listen to. We use this word for something that is very pleasant to our ears. Likewise, you can look at the picture. In this picture, the lady is making melodious tune with the help of the instrument. The synonyms of melodious are harmonious, musical, sweet, dulcet, whereas the antonyms are dissonant, cordant, rancour, grating. Now, let's look at the example. The example says her melodious voice carried over all the other students in the. Now, look at the next word, which is obnoxious. Obnoxious means extremely unpleasant way of treating people. In this picture, the person is treated disgustingly. That means the specific person is treated obnoxiously. So, the synonyms of obnoxious are abhorrent, offensive, pernicious, detestable, and the antonyms are attractive, gratifying, beneficial, desirable. Look at the example below. Nobody wanted to talk to the obnoxious man. The next word we have is ferocious. Ferocious means very aggressive and violent. The word is used for people or situations that gets intensified very easily. The picture itself shows that how aggressive and violent the man is. So, the synonyms of ferocious are untamed, barbarous, fierce, dangerous, and the antonyms are gentle, innocent, benevolent, resolute. Now, look at the example. The example is a ferocious wind swept the beach. Means the wind was so violent to sweep through the beach. So, what's impediment? Impediment means something that causes any problem for a person or a thing. So, you can call it an obstruction or hindrance in a process. In this image, you can see that a huge piece of rock is blocking the ongoing traffic. Now, the synonyms are hurdle, obstruction, hindrance, retardation, whereas the antonyms of impediment are assistance, concurrence, deliverance, aid. Now, look at the example. The example is he has an impediment in speech, means that the specific man has a problem in speaking. The next word we have is nefarious. Nefarious means criminal or immoral. Any person indulged in crime or doing immoral is said to be nefarious. Likewise, in the picture, the boy is said to be nefarious for bullying a girl. So, the synonyms of nefarious are unlawful, heinous, atrocious, detestable, and the antonyms are commendable, worthy, upright, inoffensive. Now, look at the example. The example is the murder was done very heinously by him. The last word we have is adamant. Adamant means refuse to be persuaded by anything. Look at the image. The image itself shows how stubborn or adamant the donkey is to get back to the work by his master. The synonyms of adamant are stubborn, obdurate, inflexible, rigid, whereas the antonyms are flexible, soft, suppleness, tender. Now, look at the example. The student was too adamant to follow the rules of the school. Hope you all like this session. Please like, share and subscribe Exam Guruji.